One concept is what people talk about is the monkey mind. That if left alone, our mind will just go like a monkey in a zoo and do anything and do tricks and keep you busy, right? So to get that control of your monkey mind, meditation and fasting is a great way of doing it. And I will be doing a video relating how to use meditation and fasting for controlling addictions and making changes. You know, if you want to make a change, and if you're addicted to something like, say, cigarettes or food or whatever it is, music or an activity, how do you get control of it? Well, it's my belief that when you do meditation and fasting, you will develop the skills of this self-management, self-control. I kind of don't like the word control, because it's not so much that you're controlling something, is that you are making a decision not to do something. So you're not controlling it, but you're saying, I choose to do it. Well, that's pretty much it for today's session.